Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing great today. This vlog is all about how to use sounding paste or water finding paste. Here it is. There you go. Of course, and I have all the things that is needed. These are the props. Let's make it kind of real because this is going to be useful, especially for the mariners, able-bodied seafarers or able-bodied seaman, ordinary seafarers or ordinary seaman. This is going to be useful for you, and I hope you will like this. All right, let's start. So I have here the sounding tape, this one, with the rod, okay, of course. And I got this teacup. It's an empty, of course, teacup. And we need water. Ta-da! Okay, first let's put some water here. Alright. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay. And next is, let's remove this first. It might spill. Okay, so let's see how many centimeter of water this is. Okay, now we are going to apply the sounding paste. Okay, let's put it down first. Let's just get the small amount. All right, here. All right, so what's gonna happen is, according to this, the color of the paste will change. Okay, so we're gonna put here. Okay, hold on, I'm just looking for the, there you go. So here it is. Where are you? Can you see it? Can you see the number? I think you cannot see it, the number. Okay, but the important thing here is the sounding paste. Okay, that's my main purpose here, that once you will use the sounding paste and dip it into the water. All right, look at the color of the paste. Can you see it? Can you see it there? There you go. It's gonna turn the color red. All right, so imagine this is our what? Okay, this is our sounding pipe. Okay, there you go. This is just a quick video. Okay, from here, look, 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 look. There you go. From here you can see it, obviously, that the color of the paste change. All right, so there, let me give you a close-up. There you go. So in that way you'll be able to see the number. I think you cannot see it. All right, but the main purpose here is the sounding paste is your mark of how many or how much is the amount of the volume of the water. All right, so there you go. And after that, guys, be responsible. Always wipe it after you use your sounding materials. Okay, all right, so I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click like this video and subscribe, and you can also turn on the notification so you will be able to see and notify if I have new uploads. All right, and don't forget to subscribe, especially Jabin Vlogs, and please also like my Facebook page, Jabin Vlogs JBV. And thank you so much. Keep safe, everyone.